Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your age on TikTok using the latest updated method. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Report a Problem. Now tap on Account and Profile. Then select Editing Profile. Next, tap on What is the change? Scroll down and tap No when it asks if your problem is resolved. Then tap on Need more help. Now tap on Accounts. Now you'll see an option related to updating your birthday. Select I want to update my birthday. Now tap on Confirm date of birth. Now choose your real date of birth and click Next. You'll see two options. First is facial age estimation using your selfie. Second is selfie with ID for more accurate verification. Choose one and follow the on-screen steps. After submission, TikTok will review your details. Once approved, your age will be updated automatically. And that's it. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips.